Boom shakalaka, more money leaving banks headed towards crypto. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a lot of reasons why you should be exceptionally bullish. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts, including a lot of money leaving banks, likely entering Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and charts signaling to be exceptionally, massively bullish starting now. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, greed 62, same as we've been for the past week. The overall market up 1%, Bitcoin at 28,316, Ethereum at 1858, BNB at 313, XRP 50 cents, Cardano 38 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Polygon $1.10, and Solana $20.33. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence, they would be Anchor Network, IOTEX, Volt Inu, Ocean Protocol, and TrueFi. And if you want to check out TokenMetrics for yourself, use AI to pick out the best coins independent of your time frame, trader or investor. There is a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin set to break out within 3 days by Thursday. You can see still just sitting in this wedge. This is actually a larger diamond pattern. Generally, when we have a big impulse followed by a diamond pattern, the impulse continues. Now, if we take a look, there is a rapid decline. U.S. banks are still under stress. Deposits continue to flee at an unprecedented rate. Now, as people take their money out of banks, where can they put it? Sure, they can put it in real estate. Sure, they can put it in precious metals. But what about the coolest technology slash asset out there ever? Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies could likely head into these areas. A lot of people were waiting for a larger 85% drawdown for Bitcoin to bottom. But when comparing the current cycle with previous cycles on 3-month candles, guess what? It's right in the same territory as we've seen in previous cycles, suggesting once again that the bottom is in and we are breaking up. Putting the Bitcoin OBV in perspective, I love the OBV because it is one of the few leading indicators we have for Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is just following its cycle process. Breakout of the downtrend, also breakout of the OBV. Historically, this has led to massive uptrends in Bitcoin's price. We also see the best time to accumulate, the sign of the times, past December, when this showed times to accumulate flipping from purple to green. These are the best times to accumulate, coming close to the very end right now. We also have a flipping of the RVGI reversal. Confirm its flipping. We just confirmed this with the blue right here. If we take a look historically, this was previous to every massive Bitcoin bull run. So the signals are lining up that everything is looking good for Bitcoin. The monthly stochastic has also left the oversold zone down here, which is really good news because we didn't want it to continue going down to the oversold zone, but has left the oversold zone and started the new bull rally every time. Again, this was the beginning of every rally. For those guys sitting on the sidelines or waiting, guys, it's just a matter of time, because if you like fishnets, and I know I'm talking to some guys out there who like fishnets, well, Bitcoin right now about to cross the fishnet moving average ribbon once again. Historically, 230x, 60x, 10x. Bitcoin makes massive moves after crossing this moving average. Not overnight, but over the next year to two. This one is explosive when we take a look at the Bitcoin adjusted SOPR 90-day moving average. Historically, below 1 or below this line, this horizontal line, signals a bear market. Above 1 signals a bull market. Now in 2015, 2019, and 2020, it led it to massive bull markets of 6,000 plus %, 150%, and 579%. What's it going to do this time? I don't know. But the good news is, for those of you who may not have gotten back into Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, your full positions as of yet, turns out you still have a little bit of time. Bitcoin is on track to spend the longest ever amount of time under the 2-year moving average. It was brutal. It was very, very difficult buying down in these levels because everybody was talking about how it's going down even lower to 10, to 5, to 1, to 0. Well, it didn't, but it looks like it's turning around. Hopefully you bought your Bitcoin for the cycle, because once time is up, you probably won't get another chance until the next bear market. Once Bitcoin crosses this, likely won't be that low until the next bear market. You can see historically when Bitcoin crosses the 2-year MA, historically it takes off. We're still in amazing buy territory, but not for very long for Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look at the crypto total market cap, we can see breakouts from descending, broadening wedges historically has marked the beginning of massive runs for the crypto total market cap. Not only that, but we see it's closing in on the super guppy. So if the fishnet of Bitcoin wasn't enough for you, how about the super guppy of total market cap? Highly bullish setup, looking like altcoins could take off as well, especially when you take a look at this, the total market cap. Bearish on cryptos, show them this chart. We are having a complete fractal of 2014 to 2018, but on a much more massive scale. And this was something where altcoins exploded. We're on a much bigger scale. It could explode a lot higher, where we have the bottom right here. We have a breakout, retest of previous highs before massive rally. Well, we have the bottom right here, breakout, retest of previous highs before potentially explosive, life-changing, generational, massive gains for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.